Here inside the Fendt 720 Vario, I like to say Vario because it sounds cooler. Vario, I don't know. But I'm in a Fendt 720, that's what I know. I just very simply installed the AGCO AgCam. All I did was I went right into this little port right here, and as you can see, our camera is connected and it's right here and it's showing on this monitor. And there's another camera up in front, already pre-installed on this 720 looking at the front. You can see the AgCam right here. So this is kind of cool because you've got two monitors going on here. So if you need to see other things, of course you can. This monitor drops down, but I've got the AgCam showing here. And as I've always said, when you're installing one of our cameras, it's always best to just, before you start running wires all over the tractor or your implement, plug it in. Plug in your wire really small, really close, just to make sure the camera's working. Now that we know the connections are good, we know that the monitor and how to work the monitor, we're gonna put the AgCam up on top of the cab to overlook the back just to see what that looks like. Now, as I talked about, the easiest way to do this with the Fendt tractor is just put in the adapter cable and then run it straight to the camera wherever you want to put it, and then it goes through the monitors. But if you want an additional monitor, of course you could do that with Dakota Micro. Today I installed a DVR version right here, about in between their two monitors, so that it's always on, which sometimes is a nice thing because these monitors are used for everything else, and sometimes you don't want to cloud them up with just a camera view. But it's always nice to know exactly what's going on behind you or wherever you're looking in the implement. So today all I did was I detached the AgCam cable and I plugged it right into our monitor with the power lead and suction cupped it right to the window, as you can see here. So you've got a suction cup mount right on the back, and you're really simple. It's nice and clean, and then you've got everything going on here, so that way you can use this for something else if you want to. So if that's what you want to do, that's an easy option. But then what we're going to do today is we're going to record some in-use footage using this Fendt tractor so you can see what it looks like as if you're looking at it from the cab, from the AgCam's point of view.